Hello guys and welcome to this episode. In our previous episode, we saw how to configure OSPF. In today's episode, we are going to see how to configure LDP. So on my screen, today we are using the ChatGPT Codex app instead of using the Cloud Code chat or Cloud Code software. So we want to try different agents to see how they respond to our MCP tools. And today I'm using the Codex app from ChatGPT. So I have the OSPF configured. I had to change my lab because I changed my setup, but then nevertheless, everything is working fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and prompt it to configure LDP between all the routers and then do pre and post validation checks to make sure that everything is working fine. So without wasting much time, I'm going to hit on the execute. Now I'm using ChatGPT 5.4 extra thinking. So it's going to, think through the configuration, draft a plan before it performs the final configuration. So as you can see, it's performing the task. So it has categorized the prompt, or let's say the task is supposed to do, into various tasks. So it's going to execute all of them one by one. And then when we are done, we are going to see the full configuration. So let's watch the video and see how it goes. So as you can see now, the configuration is done on all the 4 Ps. So first of all, we look at the pre-checks that it did. It checks for no address family on the Juniper OSPF LDP configurations as well. And the configs it applied on the various devices. So on a Cisco device, it created a new loopback interface, sent it, advertised the loopback into OSPF, set the MPLS router ID over there, save the config. Same thing applies to the MX, that is the Juniper as well. So I'm sure the Juniper is using the interfaces as the transport. Yes, as you can see over here. Then we have the MikroTiks over here. Then we have the other MikroTik, which is version 6 over here. Then the post validation checks. So LDP session from the MX204 Juniper to these two loopbacks. Obviously, is the version 7 of the MikroTik, and then the Cisco. And then we have for 204, it goes to the MX204, and then the version 6 of the MikroTik. Then we have the version 6 of the MikroTik going to the Cisco, and then the version 7 of the MikroTik. Then we have the Cisco as well going to the version 6 of the MikroTik, and then the MX204. So now we have our sessions active over here. So let's open a terminal and confirm this just to be sure that there were no errors. So starting from the MX204, so from the MX204, the terminal, we can confirm LDP neighborship over here. So let's go to the Cisco device. So on the Cisco device as well, we can see our neighbors over there, 2 neighbors. Let's check from the MikroTik as well. So from the MikroTik version 7, we can see 2 neighbors. And then the same thing applies to the version 6. So MPLS. Yes, so we have two neighbors as well. So as it stands right now, we have full MPLS control plane and then the data plane enabled on our four routers. So in the next video, we are going to see how to establish MPBGP using one of these devices as the as the route reflector. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.